What can I do very quickly to show in 2 minutes something about carbon monoxide? And I came up straight away on the lesson with the idea about the flower, that I can show person life through the metaphor of the flower. The flower was my actor, actually. It was difficult, but it was actually challenging for me to shoot the idea that I've got straight away, to show people carbon monoxide issue that appears in England, because nobody kind of aware about it, and to shoot in 2 minutes something invisible. It was very difficult, and to find a way how to shoot the flower that going to die, it was kind of new for me. In all my films, I'm trying to get some philosophical view or some metaphorical stuff, and they teach us in the film course about metaphorical way, about metonymy way, I think. So how to show, for example, the queen through the corgi. The flower was my corgi. So yeah, during the project I had to look for some specific information where and what from the carbon monoxide appears, how does it affect people lifestyle. And yeah, of course I become more aware and tell all my friends about this project as well, and they didn't know about this issue.